Oh. Oh my. Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna be going on a little date again. I think that's all my TikToks or all my YouTube videos are gonna be about.
That's what makes it interesting. That's
all I do. It is a surprise date, so I don't know what we're doing. Anyways, let's go. We're here. There's a restaurant there. Is that where we're going? Are we getting food?
Maybe.
I don't even really like that place. I mean, they have good deviled eggs. That's probably all I like there. We'll see. It's not the restaurant. Ready? Can I put this in here? Oi, boy. What?
How much would you rate this date?
10 out of 10. Not what I expected, but 10 out of 10. Can we go to Cafe La Fleurs now?
Yeah. With my thing?
Yeah, I'll show it off to everyone. I'm so sore from wake surfing the other day. And then this like made me even more sore, like my arms and my back.
Yeah. Like a Raptor wanted to park next to me.
Wow. I forgot to end the video, but that was the date shooting. I also took my makeup off because it looked weird. Bye guys. Say bye.